How about that? Are you ready? Adventure. Can you go? Can you make it with that rod in your hand?
Yeah. I ride with one hand on.
Got a long way to go. Yep. What do you think? Not too bad. All right. Sounds good.
I like where those rocks go.
You wanna reel him in for it? I think he's kind of hooked up bad.
Got it. Oh wait, that's. Oh, I thought I was like, that's a catfish. Looks like a catfish.
Pull him on back. Hold on, let me get him because
The line.
that's a nice fish.
It's not a fatty.
What do you think?
Can I hold him?
Yeah, go ahead. Got a little sore on the side of his mouth.
Here.
Other side, look at me. Open his mouth. All right, let him get back.
Here's it.
It's a good sized fish.
That's fine.
A little too far right. That's okay though. Work it back. Ooh. Was that your lure? There he goes. There he goes. Oh crap, we got a double. Oh, we got a double. It's a frenzy over here. We got a double. Get him in. Get him in. No, How about that? What do you think, man?
Guys, look at yours color.
That's crazy. No. I wonder how mad Sissy is. Maybe not too mad, but she would have never made it.
Yeah, she would not have been. Sure.
Not have made it.